Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing week 4 of Planmas. Yes, this week is Christmas. We made it. I'm super excited because I have so many days off and I really needed it, you guys. I don't know about you, but I needed it. So I just want to let you guys know that I have a lot of things coming out. I have a devotional coming out. I have my 2021 planner coming out. So please check the description box below. I will have links to all of those. And if you'd like to join me on my devotional, please make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss any days in my devotional. As always, if you're new here, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want to see more videos like these, and please remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'm super excited for this Planmas video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm just cropping the days. I'm using this sticker kit by Victoria Thatcher. It was a freebie, and if you follow her on either Facebook or if you have her website, she has loads and loads of freebies. I will link her blog down below so that you can get these super cute freebies. I was so in love with these PNG files because I can easily crop them, and they have a transparent background so that there's not any white behind it. So it makes it super easy to crop them and use them in my digital planners. So this is how I'm using them. Instead of having any text, I decided to use these blocks that she created, and they're so cute. So I'm just resizing them and placing them where I want them to go. Just in case you were wondering, I'm using my Dream Up Plans planner. You can find this in my Etsy shop, and I will link it down below. This week, to change things up, I decided to use text to do my numbers. And since woodnotes has this feature where you can have these little backgrounds, I'm going to do that instead of just having the text with a transparent background. So let's see how it turns out. In order to make this process easier, I'm just going to save this font style so that I don't have to keep resetting it, or I don't have to copy it. I can just tap and write. So now I'm going to be cropping my images and just using them as stickers to place them where I want them to go in my planner. Isn't this sticker so cute? This little hand holding 2 candy canes. I'm in love with it. I'm sure you noticed a difference in how I marked off my work days. Instead of highlighting and making a box, I decided to just put a highlight line all the way down from 9 to 3 p.m. so that I can just mark it off and it's not like interfering with my stickers. What do you think about this way to mark off your time? Do you do it this way or do you like to do boxes? Comment down below. Now I'm just going to grab the numbers in the mini calendar and I'm just going to copy and paste it to my new weekly. I had so much fun using different highlighting colors to mark off different times for different activities. Okay guys, this is reason to get excited. This week I found 6 amazing freebies on Creative Market. I'm going to link it down below. They are beautiful cards. There's a beautiful font. There are PNG images. There's so much great things this week. You have got to download it before it's too late. You have to do it this week. If you wait for next week, there'll be brand new freebies. So I'll link it down below so that you can sign up for Creative Market and get these fabulous freebies. As you can see, I'm having fun looking through all of these images, and some of them you gotta be careful to make sure they're not an EPS file or else it will not transfer into your planner. Only PNG files or JPEG files will be transferred. As you can see, I just dragged it into the planner and there's my little rainbow hanging sign, and I dragged over these little books. These are so cute, you guys. Please get your hands on them now. So yeah guys, this is what I'm really excited for this week, and it's my devotional. This is going to be a 10-day devotional where I go through many things that we need to know in life, especially relationships and creating the right relationships. If you would like to follow along, please make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I will be giving freebies along with the free devotional and a free tracker to mark off each day that we follow in this devotional. And for anyone who does miss the devotional, you will still get access to it. However, it will be on my Etsy shop and you will have to pay a small fee, and you will also get those other freebies in a bundle, as I did for my first devotional, which is also in my shop. So if you missed the first devotional, you can also purchase that as well. Alright you guys, it's time for another quick tip. Have you ever stacked so many photos and later on figure out like, okay, I want to move it, but how? There's so many, I can't move them. I have a solution for you. So you have to use the image tool rather than the lasso tool. The lasso tool will select every image that you circle. However, when you click on the image tool, it will select one photo at a time, or one image at a time, as you can see. This allows you to easily move certain pictures out of the way so that you can stack them the way that you want. And remember, to stack photos, you have to make sure you cut and paste. That will make sure the image that you want on top remains on the top. Another issue that can cause you to have difficulties moving images is when they're not pre-cropped. Look at all of that space around the image. I have to definitely crop it in order to make things easier to move around. So go to image, click on the photo, and make sure you crop it so that all that extra space is gone. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and I hope that you enjoy it with your family and friends, whoever you can. I know that during this time it's very difficult, but please remember to stay joyful, stay hopeful, and I know that we're going to have a great new year. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that it shows up in other people's feed. And please remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!